Did you know that mushrooms are not plants and they do not need soil to grow? Let's learn even more about mushrooms on our field trip to Back to the Roots to see how they make their gourmet mushroom kit. Years ago, college students Alejandro and Nikhil heard one of their teachers mention that mushrooms could be grown from used coffee grounds. So they decided they would try it. And it worked. Let's hear how they took that idea and created a way for you to grow food using something that is usually thrown in the trash.
Hi, I'm Alejandro.
And I'm Nikhil.
Thanks for joining us. We're super excited to take you on a virtual field trip of our facility in Scottsville, Michigan.
We will show you how we use recycled materials to build our organic mushroom kit so you can grow mushrooms at home.
Let's go to Michigan. Most plants need soil to grow, but mushrooms are different because they can grow in other things.
Like the coffee grounds we used when we first started our company. Since then, we found something even better.
Sawdust.
The process starts when big trucks bring us sawdust from places as far away as Ohio, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. We combine the sawdust with other elements in large mixers to make a consistent blend of materials and water. We call this the substrate.
The word substrate means the area underneath an organism or plant. The substrate provides the food and support a plant needs to grow and stay healthy.
The substrate is packed into bags that are folded and placed on trays.
The bags are then put into a retort for sterilization.
Sterilization is the process that makes sure the bag is free of contaminants. Can you guess what the retort or big container does to help with sterilization? Does it raise the temperature, keep the bags under water, or add special sand? If you guessed raise the temperature, you're right. The temperature in the retort is increased until it reaches 250 degrees, where the bags stay for about 4 hours.
The bags are then placed in a cool down room until the substrate is ready for seeding. Mushroom seeds are called spawn. We grow the spawn in our own laboratory to make sure it is strong and healthy. Then we use a bag seeding machine to add the spawn to the substrate.
It quickly opens the bag and adds a predetermined amount of spawn before sealing the bag with heat. The bags are now put into an incubation room. Here, we control the temperature, humidity, light, and airflow to give the bags the perfect environment for colonization of the mushroom spawn.
Colonization is a process that allows mushrooms to grow throughout the entire bag of substrate. The average bag of substrate is full of spawn that are almost ready to become fully grown mushrooms.
After the bags have been in the incubation room for a few weeks, we pull out the bags that are fully colonized and ready for packing. We check every crop to be extra sure that the mushrooms are ready to grow when they get to our customers by testing them in our very own test lab.
This is the only way to be sure that the mushrooms will grow exactly as expected when you take a kit home.
It's now time for us to pack the kits into their boxes. We use different size boxes depending on the kit.
All of them are made of recyclable materials because we know how important recycling is in the world we live in. The kits are now ready to be packed up and delivered to the Home Depot. When you take a kit home, you'll see how easy and fun it is to grow organic mushrooms. Just watch.
Using a mushroom kit is easy. Simply cut the bag through the opening in the box and then spray the substrate with water twice every day. Soon you'll have your very own crop of organic mushrooms. Thank you to Alejandro and Nikhil for showing us how Back to the Roots makes their gourmet mushroom kits. And thank you for learning how the Home Depot can help you grow mushrooms in your own home in an entirely new way.